Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Neighbors. Upon joining the game, you will find yourself in a vibrant, friendly-looking neighborhood, but don't be fooled. Your first step is to get familiar with the basic controls, which include movement, jumping, and interacting with objects. You will then need to understand the two main roles available in the game, which dictate your ultimate goal. You'll be assigned one of two distinct roles, the protective neighbor or the cunning invader. The neighbor's mission is to defend their home, using various tools and strategies to keep out unwanted guests. Meanwhile, the invader must stealthily enter a neighbor's property, locate secret items, and make a quick getaway. Each role offers a unique and engaging gameplay experience, demanding different skills and approaches. Navigating the diverse neighborhood map is crucial for success. Explore every corner, including houses, sheds, and even hidden pathways, to discover valuable items. Neighbors might find bear traps, cameras, or even alarm systems to fortify their homes. Invaders, on the other hand, should look for crowbars, keys, or distraction devices to bypass defenses. Knowing your environment and item locations provides a significant advantage. As a neighbor, your best strategy involves securing all entry points, placing motion sensors, and perhaps even hiding a tripwire or two inside. Consider using cameras to monitor crucial areas from a safe distance. For invaders, patience is paramount. Observe the neighbor's patrol routes and look for openings. Use distractions wisely to lure them away, creating an opportunity for entry. Teamwork greatly enhances both roles' effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.